In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send draft mails in Gmail. If you've ever started writing an email and saved it for later, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to find that draft. Polish it up and send it off. Either right away or at a time that works best for you. First, open Gmail and head to your Drafts folder. On a desktop browser, you'll see Drafts in the left-hand sidebar along with your inbox and sent folders. On mobile, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar. Then scroll until you see Drafts. Gmail automatically saves messages you've started. So anything you began composing and didn't send should be stored there. Next, select the draft you want to send. If you have a lot of drafts, use the search bar at the top to narrow things down. Try typing a keyword from the subject line, the recipient's email address, or a unique phrase you remember from the message. That can be much faster than scrolling through a long list. Click the draft to open it. Take a moment to review the message and make any necessary changes. This is a good time to double-check the recipients, especially if you are emailing multiple people, and confirm the subject line clearly matches your message. Make sure the body of the email is complete. Links work and any intended attachments are included. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts or aliases, glance at the From line to ensure you are sending from the right address. Small touch-ups like fixing typos or clarifying a sentence can make a big difference before you send. When everything looks good, click Send. The Send button typically appears at the bottom of the Compose window, and once you click it, Gmail will deliver your message and move it out of Drafts into your Sent folder. That's all there is to it if you are ready to send immediately. If you'd prefer to send the email later, use Schedule Send. Instead of clicking Send, click the small downward arrow next to the Send button. Choose Schedule Send. Then pick a suggested time or customize the exact date and time you want the email to go out. This is especially useful if you are coordinating across time zones or want your message to arrive during business hours without needing to be online. And that's how to send draft mails in Gmail. Locate your draft. Refine it, and either send now or schedule it for the perfect moment. Thanks for watching.